Oh, acai as a queso, you might be thinking. No, this recipe doesn't call for cheese. No cheese needed. Very simple ingredients. And it's cheap and simple. Stay watching and find out. You're watching Channel 1 and this is the World Cuisine series presented in Texas. Let's join Romilo in his small kitchen. Warm welcome, your Queen Uncle here. Welcome back to our small kitchen. And it's weekend and I'll be cooking a simple pasta dish. Magugustuhan nyo to, magtataglist tayo because we'll be addressing or we'll be targeting this dish to our madlang Pinoy household. But we'll be mixing some English to access our international audience as well. Ngayon, what do we need? I'm going to cook, or what are we cooking? I'm cooking a simple pasta recipe. Let's start. I'll be telling you the ingredients as I need them. So as we prepare the ingredients, let's boil the pasta. We need some olive oil, just to keep the pastas from sticking with one another. And some salt. Let's just wait until this boils. Our recipe is pasta with crab fat or pasta with aligue. This has been in the freezer for I think 3 months now. Thank you, Dennis. Oh, Pampanga for this. So we'll be sautéing. Igisa natin ito in just garlic. I have a garlic crusher, but I prefer to do it this way. Let's just remove the peel of the garlic. We'll do the stir fry now garlic. We'll just fry the garlic. It's not stir fry actually. We'll fry the garlic. I have a new style of hanging my kitchen towel. I usually do this. But professional chefs usually do this. Nice, huh? This is a pheasant's dish actually. This has been pre-cooked. It's been in the refrigerator for months. But I will be adding more oil and garlic. That's why we will fry this garlic. This garlics, I should say. The oil is still cold. Let's fry it to get the oil infused by garlic flavor. Let's add the taba ng talangka now. This is high calorie, that's why I'm easy on it. Just to give the pasta taba ng talangka flavor. It's frozen, so it takes a bit of time for the taba to dissolve in the or to melt and then dissolve in the oil. Let's just add some salt. And of course, freshly ground pepper. We can add more during serving. This will be good. Taba ng talangka sauce. roughly 2 to 3 tablespoons of taba ng talangka for 300 gram pasta or al gusto. That depends on how much taba ng talangka or crab meat you have, or not crab meat but crab fat. Let's cook our pasta now. Water is now boiling here, so I can add the pasta. I might as well add all. If you enjoy watching our show, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified for every release. And since we are a small YouTuber, very small, there are roughly just 3,000 subscribers, please don't skip the ads. We need it just to give us back for the efforts that we're spending in making the content. You might be wondering, Romilo, where's the cheese? You're cooking pasta. To be frank, I don't have cheese, and I want to conform to the tradition in southern Italy, in Sicily. Instead of pasta, they just simulate the pasta. Especially that this is seafood. It's a no-no to mix pasta. They're both fermented, they have the same taste. Fish and cheese have the same taste, so we avoid the cheese. What we do instead is to simulate the Parmesan cheese on top of the pasta. We're cooking, or we're using bread crumbs. Yes, bread crumbs. That's what they do in southern Italy, in Sicily. Let's just crumble this using this mixer. And let's roast it to give it a bit a hard texture. Look at that! It looks like cheese. Unlike French cooking, Italian cooking is peasant cooking. It's foreman's cooking. Pang-promdi. Kaya this is what we do. Simple lang. Let's go. Just stir the pasta onto the sauce. In fact, this is just oil infused with taba ng talangka. Now we add our simulated Parmesan. Simulating, pasta simulation. Look at that. Who can tell the difference? Simple lunch. And this is our pasta with crab fat. Crab fat from Pampanga. Food from the homeland and traditions or style from Italy, from Sicily to be exact. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified with every release. Your Kuya and Uncle here in Holland. Tikman natin. Masarap. Masarap. It's really delicious. Simple. Quick, delicious. And cheap. It's really cheap.